Today we tell the story of little M who went into the wilderness. Let's find him. Well, hello! You have a very nice cap. I think it's very appropriate for Valentine's Day. How's it going? Good? Do you like the rainforest? It seems like you do. What kind of things do you do in the rainforest? Where are you? There you are. Come closer. Tell us about your adventures. Sounds like you're having a lot of fun. That's awesome. Okay. What kind of things have you done? That's pretty cool. Have you made any friends? You have? Who, this guy? Whoa! You're friends with a wizard? That's pretty cool. Hello, Mr. Wizard. How's it going? Are you friends in the rainforest too? That's neat. Wait, there's somebody that needs to be rescued? Who? Oh my goodness! There's a moose! Yes. What? He has to save him? How come? There's a reward? Are you going to be able to do it? I think so. You ready? I have faith in you. I think you can do it. Let's go. Use your wings. Hello, Mr. Moose. Hello. Oh my goodness! There's a giant fur monster in the rainforest. Fur monster? Why are you killing the moose? Where are you taking him? Oh no! Fur monster, why? You killed him. Just kidding. I think he's still alive. Thank you for saving me, dear friend. Let me give you a hug. Hug. Yay. Oh, he took him again. Okay, well, enjoy the rainforest. Thanks. Till next time. I lost my head. Oops. Bye.